So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about non-technical jobs where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So in this video we would be covering eligibility, job description and the interview related questions and answers. And one very important thing about Snapdeal I will talk about their recruitment process, how you will apply, and when you will receive a response from them. So, watch this video till the end. And in case you are new, please subscribe to my channel. And for my viewers, please do like my videos to support my channel. So, please like this video. So, now regarding the first job role, it is for the role of blended process in company Snapdeal. So, in case you are not aware, blended process is where you have to support customers both via calling as well as chatting. So regarding the eligibility criteria, you should be a graduate, you should have good communication skills, problem solving skills, and you should know how to operate desktop or laptop. Regarding the job description, it is pretty simple. You will have to support customers through inbound, outbound call and emails. So inbound call means you will receive calls from customers. Outbound will mean that you will have to call customers also sometimes by yourself to clarify your doubts or promote something to them. And then you will have should have the ability to determine customer needs and provide appropriate solutions. So while talking to them, you should be able to know about their needs. Now, regarding the interview rounds, round one will be a telephonic round, which will be just to check your communication skills. So, they can ask you to introduce yourself, or they can give you a topic to speak for a minute. Uh, like they can tell you to talk about your college life. So, it will be a very simple topic where you can easily speak for a minute. Round two will be online interview. HR interview will be through video calling, and salary will be around 2.5 to 4 lakhs per annum, but the experience range they are considering is between 0 to 5. So for freshers salary will be on the lower side, for experience it can go high. Now I will discuss about the interview questions for this blended process, but first about the next job role, which is the role for business development. Again, here you need to have graduate and good communication skills along with analytical skills, and you should know how to operate in MS Excel. So for that you can watch my video regarding MS Excel interview questions and answers. I am giving link in description. Regarding job description, here you will have to drive and manage profit and loss of the company. You will have to onboard vendors in the sense that you will have to onboard sellers on the company's platform so that they can sell their products on Snapdeal. So it is similar to seller support kind of thing, what you do in Amazon. So similar to that you have to do here. You will have to maximize brand availability at best prices. So sometimes you will have to change the prices of certain products also. If you feel that you are not able to sell, then you can determine their prices also. Ensure round the clock availability of products. And key account management. Key account management is in the sense that there will be certain sellers or vendors whose account you will have to manage, so you will have to consistently follow up with them so that they remain attached to Snapdeal. Regarding the interview rounds, round one will be group discussion, or it can be a just a minute round. So again, here they can give you a topic to speak. Generally, in group discussion, it has been seen that Snapdeal gives topics related to the e-commerce industry. So you should be thorough with the e-commerce industry. You should read about it. And round two will be HR interview. Salary can be in the range of 3 to 5 LPA. The experience that they have written is 0 to 2 years. Regarding the interview questions, it can be about, again, what do you know about e-commerce industry. So you should be thorough if you are applying for Snapdeal. So you can talk about how it started, how it grew, what are the advantages of e-commerce industry, why people got attracted to it, and what do you see the future of e-commerce industry. So these things you can talk about in this question. How does Snapdeal generates its revenue? So here there are 2 3 channels through which Snapdeal generates its revenue. First of all, by selling the products. Secondly, by taking commissions from the vendors or sellers that they onboard on their platform, because they sell their products on Snapdeal platform, so Snapdeal takes commissions from them. And third is advertisement. So Snapdeal allows other companies also to advertise on Snapdeal's platform. So by that they take some commission from those companies. So these are some of the ways that it generates revenue. How do you expect your typical workday to be? So for this you need to just go through job description in detail. What steps will you take to ensure you build strong relationships with key clients? So here you can just talk about that you will regularly follow up with them, know their needs. So these kind of things you can do. And then why should we hire you? So for this you should watch my video. I am giving the link in the description box. If you watch that video you will know how to answer this question. Now about the blended process interview questions. So they can definitely ask you about categories of products of Snapdeal. So you should be aware about it. So these are some of the categories. I have taken this from their website only, so you can read about it. What do you know about customer care? So you should be aware of that it is a service that you provide to customers both before they buy the product and after they buy the product or service, and it helps them to have easy and enjoyable experience. Offering us amazing customer care is important if you want to retain customers and grow your business. What is difference between good customer service and great customer service? So this question I have covered before, but I am telling you again. So main difference is that uh, in good customer service you provide service that satisfies the customer, but in great customer service you provide a service that the customer becomes loyal. They enjoy it so much that they return to you. So these are some of the traits of good and great customer service. Four traits are similar. Additional traits in great customer service are empathy, the ability to understand and share feelings of customer, and going the extra mile, doing extra that customer may not expect. Then what do you do when you are in a situation where you cannot help a customer? So here you first have to doubly clarify things before you say no, that you cannot help. Then begin with empathy statement. It could be something like this: I would feel the same in your situation. Let's see what we can do to sort this out. Then explain things carefully. So you can use the statement like, let me explain you why we cannot provide this feature at present. Then provide alternatives. It means products that could be similar to what the customer is asking for. Then give hope that if you are not even able to provide alternatives, that you will discuss with higher management if we can have such kind of product or services that the customer wants. And then follow up with the customer and tell them what is the decision of the management. Then again, why should we hire you? For this you should watch that video only. Then other questions could be, why Snapdeal, why this role, what what do you do when you encounter an unhappy customer, what is your weakness, when you encounter a problem how do you solve it, why do you want to leave your previous companies if you are experienced. So these kind of questions can be there. I've covered them many times in the videos, so I'm giving the link of two videos in the description: one for HR interview questions in Amazon for customer support, and one for seller support. If you watch these two videos you will get all the answers for these questions. So now I'll just show you how you can apply, and about the recruitment process of Snapdeal. So this is the Snapdeal's website. These positions are open there. So here you don't have to attach your resume and apply here. Instead they have given the name of the person who is taking care of this opening. So you have to directly write an email to them. So kirti.arora@snapdeal.com is looking after this customer care role. So you can write an email to them and attach your resume. And in case you want to apply for this business development role, you need to write an email to careers@snapdeal.com. So then you will get a response. And a great thing about Snapdeal, they have clearly written that you will hear back from us within 48 hours of submitting application. So within 2 days you will know what happened with your application. So these are two great things about their recruitment process. So I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then,